4 days later, it is taken down on the previous one. After over 1 million views, you also will see on those photographs, the BJP official handle is there. Official handle is there in all those images. Do not give shelter to Mias if they are Bangladeshi. Learn the distinction between the Mia and the Muslim. In the name of Mia, don't harass Muslim. In the name of Muslim, don't give protection to Mia. To save Chhattisgarh from love jihad, religious conversion, and people like Akbar, we need people like Vijay Sharma. Do you want Akbar or Vijay? Our country does not need any Mughal emperors, Babur, Aurangzeb or Akbar. Well, I am surprised that there is a fear that Babur and Akbar and Humayun will come back. Your Lordship must have a registration of FIR, a complete stoppage in future, at least the damage what had to be done is done, and actual genuine action. 166, 167, then 166 and 67 is the gun pointing. 169 is the visibly religious emblematic image. Again, 171 is the religiously emblematic image. And your Lordship comes to 177, another graphic image. Then 178 is a, if I may say so with respect, a constitutional cowboy image. I did not know, but there is apparently a constitutional cowboy also, which Dr. Ambedkar forgot to mention in his articles. And so on. Now, kindly come to page 162. And remember, this is reprehensible and inexcusable by anyone. But if there can be degrees, when your Lordship takes an oath, when I take a public office, when he is the chief executive of a state, this is beyond A for sure. Now 162 is a second example. A day earlier, just turn to the first para, last two lines. And I'm sorry, on the previous one, 4 days later it is taken down on the previous one. After over 1 million views, I've covered all that. And some lowly functionary is blamed, though you also will see on those photographs, the BJP official handle is there in all those images. Show the actual official handle. Which page?
Yes, we have it.
Yeah. Now come to the previous day, 162. That's why it's now a habitual, consistent, repetitive pattern. It's not a straw in the wind, a swallow in the summer. 162.
Yes.
Cited Mahatma Gandhi. This is the greatest irony. Mahatma Gandhi is cited. There cannot be something more ironical. Saying that non-cooperation and civil disobedience were ways to create an environment in which they cannot stay in Assam. Whereas I can only say with respect that Mahatma Gandhi would turn over in his grave on this interpretation of civil disobedience. That's my understanding. I may be wrong. Then come to page 163 in the middle.
Yes.
A distinction between Mias, who he said were illegal immigrants. My system is civil disobedience and non-cooperation. Do not give shelter to Mias if they are Bangladeshi. Learn the distinction between the Mia and the Muslim. In the name of Mia, don't harass Muslim. In the name of Muslim, don't give protection to Mia, etc. And now turn to 156. 4 days again previous to this. 156. Oh, sorry, not 156. Sorry, it's 156. Yeah, 156. That's correct.
Yes.
A rickshaw puller on video, if your Lordship will play the video, it's been supplied, I believe, with the petition, is harassed purely because of the minority group to which he belongs. This is how SMEs youth in search illegal Bangladesh Mia Muslim now in every lanes. And then this goes on till 161. We have provided a pen drive apparently. I don't need to repeat it. It's obvious what they are saying and what they are doing. Basically, also all of them is accompanied by make them leave, exit them, report them, throw them out. The habitual nature of this goes back to one of those rare instances of 23 when another constitutional authority, which should be acting much more often, did act for once, but then apparently forgot about it. 1-2. This is 19-10-23. This is an EC. 1-2 is correct.
Yes.
Is it an
EC? Which page?
1-2. Now this person, not only is the number one constitutional authority as far as executive function is concerned in this state of your Lordships, but also makes these comments pan-India. This comment is made in Chhattisgarh. So the whole of India is, as far as his verbal attempts are concerned, is his playground. Middle of page 1-2. To save Chhattisgarh from love jihad, religious conversion, and people like Akbar, we need people like Vijay Sharma. Do you want Akbar or Vijay? Make Vijay win the elections, or else Akbar from Kavardha will take over the whole of Chhattisgarh. Our country does not need any Mughal emperors, Babur, Aurangzeb or Akbar. Our country needs so-and-so. I am surprised that there is a fear that Babur and Akbar and Humayun will come back. That kind of insecurity, I am quite surprised. Now, just see, these are, in my petition, just note the pages. Graphic 10 instances are given from page. I'll just give the pages. I'll not repeat. I want to show the law in 2 minutes and be done. 2 or 3 minutes.
Yes.
6 to
All
161.
the averments. Averments. I want the averments. I'll just give the averments. Before that, now come to 2 or 3 cases. I'll read only one. Chavan's case. That is State of Maharashtra versus Chavan, 2011, 1 SCC, 5.
This is the compilation that you've given.
Yes, Malas, case law compilation. Lordship may note, Malas, 3 judgments. I'll read only one. Chavan is on Malas 2011 1 SCC 57. Then Malas on constitutional morality, Manoj Narula, well known 9 judges case. 2014 9 SCC page 1. They're all in the compilation. And then Malas Jaipur Development Authority 1997 1 SCC 35. In a nutshell, Malas, they say that constitutional accountability of high constitutional functionaries is paramount.
Yes.
I may just point out the case instead of reading it to save time. These high principles will become mere sermons until your lordships actively operationalizes them. And there cannot be a worse example where it needs immediate operationalization. Now, in this compilation?
Yes.
Well, in the Chavan case, SCC page 589.
Chavan.
Para 38 at page 589 of the SCC page.
Just a minute. Which Chavan is this at serial number? Your case compilation index. What is the serial number? We don't find Chavan here.
What are you saying?
Five.
Inside 5, para 38.
Which Chaman you said this is
State of Maharashtra.
Anish Devgan, number 5. 9.
Yes. State of Maharashtra versus Sardar Singh, Shivdas Singh, Chavan. What have you
Number
given?
5, yeah, perhaps this is a different compilation that you are referring to.
What is the name of your person?
Number 3, State of Maharashtra versus. Okay, I thought Chaman was the name. All right, Chavan.
So, Malas, in that, just come to para 38.
Page 92.
This being the ground reality as the CM of the state and as holding a position of great responsibility as a high constitutional functionary,
Yes.
Mr. Deshmukh certainly acted beyond all legal laws by giving the impugned directions to the collector to protect members of a particular family who are dealing in money lending business with the normal process of law. This amounts to bestowing special favor to some chosen few at the cost of the vast number of poor people who are farmers who have come with complaints against torture and atrocities. The instruction will certainly implement. Is completely contrary and inconsistent with the constitutional promise of equality and also the preambular resolve of social and economic justice. Whereas, where is the question of equality if you treat a whole class, as this particular person is doing, as second class, no third, fourth class citizens who don't deserve to be existing?
We have seen that, yes.
Then, Malas, just note, obviously, 3 things in the constitution. The preamble, where your lordship is familiar with secularism, but not, Malas, we don't use so much more the very important word fraternity. Each of these 2 words cross-fertilize each other. It's a very important word in our preamble, fraternity.
Yes.
Then link it with Malas Articles 14, different facets of equality in 15, 19, my right to do work and survive, and 21 above all. Since your lordship is looking at the legal construct, your lordship will obviously see in the BNSS sections 196, 197, 299 and 353 are clearly implicated. The book is there. I need not Malas.
We have not.
Along with Malas, by the way, these are, I don't remember at least the new names, the lordship may be familiar with. They are the old 153A, 153B, 295A, etc. IPC. And Malas, electoral offence separately is clearly made out under 125 of the RP Act. Malas, lastly, we cannot forget the oath of office and what a whole bunch of orders, which will be handed over just now by Mr. Gautam if he is there, by Malas Supreme Court Bench 21-10-22 in the hate speech batch of cases. If that may be kindly handed over. It's part of the compilation. My pages are Malas 85 onwards in the compilation, but it's the order of 21-10-22. Give the page. Page 85 of writ petition.
Now we have that judgment before us. Shaheen Abdullah, you are referring to.
That's right. It's a very important judgment.
Yeah. Dr. Singhvi, you are not audible now.
I'll be
From
ending
this moment. Yeah, now it's all right.
I'll be ending with this, Malas. It is at 88 all the way to Malas at 88 and in particular 95 and 97 and also Malas 85 and 87.
You are referring to paragraphs, pages.
So 85 at 87 and Malas 88 at 95. That's the correct way to put it. Page numbers. Well, I'm deeply obliged. I am closing by saying, first and foremost, your lordship must have, Malas, a registration of FIR, a complete stoppage in future, at least the damage what had to be done is done, and actual genuine action.
In PIL number 15, let notice be issued. We have heard so and so. Let notice be issued to the respondents. Notice to respondents number 1 and 2 is accepted by any state council here. Yes, notice to respondent number 1 is accepted by Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, learned Solicitor General. And notice to respondent number 2 is accepted by M.S. R.B. Bora, learned advocate for the state. Let notice be issued to respondent number 3 on steps being taken by the you send a notice and steps being taken by the petitioner within a period of 2 weeks, both modes, returnable. We will fix a date, returnable. We'll see the date from the calendar. April.
No, then PL 14 also your lordships would.
We are proceeding from the backwards. I mean, the case which is, because we have the files like this. In PIL number 14.
Look, at page 4 are the respondents.
Let's have that page.
Page 4, page 3 are the petitioners, page 4 are the respondents. Union of India, State of Assam, the Honorable Chief Minister and the DG Director General.
So-and-so. Notice to respond number 1 accepted by so-and-so, 2 by so-and-so, 3, 2 and 4, and 3 again steps to be taken by you. Steps taken within 2 weeks, returnable. Both modes will issue notice.
My lords, can we make a request for a fairly short returnable date, my lords?
We will. 2 weeks we have given you time and 3 weeks further, so that makes it 5 weeks. We are keeping it in April.
My lord, because the Honorable Supreme Court had requested my lords to give it some priority if possible.
That's right. Therefore, we heard it today only. It was mentioned yesterday. We have heard it today.
We are deeply obliged for that. But could you consider keeping it perhaps in March, sometime late in March?
This is in compliance of the Supreme Court's judgment, the directions.
Also Supreme Court only makes the request. Supreme Court only makes the request, nothing more.
And the responsibility of this court as well, the emergent necessity. Let's see. This is PIL number 16. Who would tell us the page number? Mr. Singhvi has exited. Page number 2 and 3. Respondents number 2. So here the notice to respond number 1 by Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary. State of Assam. 2 is also, this is State of Assam, R.B. Bora, Bharatiya Janata Party. I don't think it's necessary. Let 3 be like this. Though we are not issuing any notice to party. And any representative of Dr. Singhvi here? No need of notice to BJP.
Please, my lords, BJP has been added as a party because the video was released on the official handle of the BJP, that BJP Assam Pradesh. So it's only fair to...
all right, we'll consider it later and we get the response. And number 4, you also file notice.
Look, we are praying for an ad interim order in terms of prayer of the interim orders, only to refrain from such speech.
Mr. Singh, you would agree that without notice, without the person being represented, that would not be appropriate. We shall see. And it will be a normal restraint when this writ petition is pending consideration.
Then I appreciate notice on interim relief may be indicated so that
notice on the main petition as well as the interim relief. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
सीनियर एडवोकेट की इन दलीलों ने कानून के गलियारों में हलचल मचा दी है। सिंघवी ने न केवल कानूनी दाव पेच रखे बल्कि संविधान की मर्यादा का हवाला देते हुए सीधे तौर पर सत्ता की मनमानी को चुनौती दी है। क्या कोर्ट सिंघवी के तर्कों से सहमत होकर ऐतिहासिक फैसला देगा या प्रशासन अपनी कार्रवाई को जायज ठहरा पाएगा? इस मामले का फैसला न केवल असम बल्कि देश की कानून व्यवस्था के लिए एक मिसाल बनेगा। इस केस की पल पल की अपडेट और कोर्ट रूम के अंदर की हर बड़ी बात सबसे पहले जानने के लिए अपने चैनल टीवी कोर्ट 24 को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें। आपको क्या लगता है, सिंघवी की दलीलें कितनी भारी पड़ेंगी? अपनी राय कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर साझा करें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद।